Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
I started this vlog yesterday, which was December 1st, but I ended up not vlogging my day. But today it is 1 p.m. and I thought I would start the vlog that is going to go up tomorrow. So my mom and I are about to clean the entire house for Christmas. I think we're gonna go Christmas decor shopping this afternoon because we want to deck the whole house for Christmas. We obviously have our tree up, which we are actually going to reassemble because we didn't like how it turned out. Just the ornaments are all over the place. I feel like the lights are not well assembled. We are gonna do that. We're still having to put the rug on the tree. We want to get a Christmas angel or a star for the top of the tree, amongst other things. So you guys are going to come along with us for all of it. So we're gonna start by cleaning out the living room. I'm gonna clean my room. I'm gonna start by taking out everything out of the credenza because my mom wants to move it around. Cue the time lapse. And she said that she thought this was very Christmassy because this looks like peppermint. I don't know if this screams Christmas, but I feel like I can add some Christmas pillows eventually. I finished cleaning my room. It's all super squeaky clean and I'm about to do my hair for tomorrow. I just washed it like half an hour ago. I was waiting for it to dry a little bit, and I guess I'm going to show you my hair care routine, more so just what I do when I blow dry my hair at home. I will go in with this leave-in, just the Kerastase Curl Manifesto. The reason why I have this is because a while ago my mom and I got this shampoo and conditioner, and it was this line of Kerastase. Someone recommended this to us and said that it would be good for our hair. Long story short, we didn't end up liking the shampoo or the conditioner, and we ran out of those, but we still have this leave-in, so I'm just using it. I'm also going to use this heat protectant. This is the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant, and I have no idea whether this works or not. I used my Shark hair dryer tool, so I try to dry most of my hair up to like 80 or 90% of it to be dry, and then I'll go and section it off. But for now, I'm just going to dry it like this. When it's mostly dried, I'm just gonna go in with the brush. So I'm gonna fast forward through drying it. Mostly dried, I would say like 90% dried. Clip it at the top, but I feel like this avoids a great part of the heat damage that I would be giving to my hair, because I will only go with the brush a few times. Clip and I realized I wasn't filming. I was applying the Sebastian Dark Oil because my hair was still a little bit poofy. I showed you guys when I got this hair oil. I've been testing it out and it's really good. The only other hair oil that I had was the Kerastase one. I can't remember which line. I don't see much difference to say that I love this, especially for the price. I can't remember the price difference, but I do know that this was way cheaper and it smells really good. It just gives it a lot of shine. I don't know if you guys can see that. On day 3, and that's the thing, it gets super oily whether I use a hair oil or not. It just gets greasy and I have to wash it again, which is why I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Hopefully it stays like this tomorrow. On the tree for the vibes because we're gonna assemble this nativity set. I'm so excited. We got this months ago because it was on sale and I've been waiting. We are going to reassemble the tree after I'm done with this, but for now, let's do this. I love it. Here we have little Jesus, Saint Mary, so precious. And the tree, I'm not gonna lie, it looks cute. I don't know what's going on with the lights on top. The living room turned out, by the way. And this is still a work in progress because I have all of my orders from my online shop there, including clothing and shoes. So we're not gonna tackle this right now. If you remember from my Black Friday haul, these are the little coffee cups. They look perfect in here, and my mom had this sugar holder, which also just looks perfect with this. So I'm gonna end the video here. You guys are going to have to stay tuned for my next Vlogmas because we're gonna go Christmas decor shopping and we want to deck the whole entire house. My Christmas tree in my room, I want to set it up this year and make it really cute because last year it was a little bit questionable. I want you guys to comment down below a Christmas tree emoji if you guys are excited for Christmas and if you're enjoying this Vlogmas videos. I honestly thought I wasn't going to upload tomorrow. No idea what I was going to film, but my mom and I had to clean the house. I decided to just film that. Let me know if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you're not yet. And I'll see you guys in my next Vlogmas video on Friday. Bye guys.